In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase text from images in ClipDrop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove unwanted words, labels, or captions from a picture using a quick, browser-based workflow that doesn't require any design experience. Start by opening your web browser and heading to clipdrop.co. This is the home base for ClipDrop's AI-powered tools. Once the page loads, look toward the navigation and click on Tools. That opens the full list of features available on the site, so you can jump straight to the one we need for text cleanup. From the Tools list, click on Text Remover. This tool is designed to detect text in your image and intelligently reconstruct the background underneath. It's great for removing dates, captions, and signage from images you own or have permission to edit. As a best practice, always make sure you respect copyrights and avoid removing watermarks from images you don't have rights to use. On the Text Remover page, click on Paste or Drop. This button lets you bring in your image in a couple of convenient ways. You can paste directly from your clipboard or drag and drop a file from your computer. JPEG and PNG files work well. For cleaner results, start with a reasonably high-resolution image. Very small or heavily compressed images can make the repaired areas look soft. After your image appears on the canvas, click Remove Text. ClipDrop will scan the picture, find the text, and fill in the background automatically. Processing usually takes just a few moments, and then you'll see a preview of the cleaned image. If the original text covered a complex texture or pattern, the tool does its best to reconstruct it realistically, but results can vary depending on the scene and lighting. If you're prompted to do so, click Downscale and continue. This step helps the site process large images more quickly by temporarily reducing the resolution for preview. It won't change your original file on your computer, it simply speeds up the edit so you can move forward. If you need the absolute highest output quality, consider starting with the largest, clearest version of your image. When you're happy with the result, click Download. Your edited photo will be saved to your computer, typically in your default downloads folder, ready to share or use in your project. And that's it. Go to ClipDrop, open Tools, choose Text Remover, bring in your image with Paste or Drop, click Remove Text, confirm Downscale and continue if prompted, and then download your clean, polished image. Thanks for watching and happy editing.